How to fix Miele Vacuum Not Spinning. So first of all, check for blockages. Debris such as hair, strings, or other materials can become tangled around the brush roll, preventing it from spinning. Turn off and unplug the volume, remove the brush roll, and check for any tangled debris. Cut away any hair or strings. Examine the drive belt. A broken or worn out drive belt can prevent the brush roll from spinning. Open the bottom compartment to access the belt. Check for wear or breakage. Replace it if necessary. Clean or replace the brush roll. A worn out or damaged brush roll can hinder spinning. Clean the brush roll thoroughly to remove debris. Replace it if damaged or excessively worn. Check for motor issues. A malfunctioning motor can prevent the brush roll from spinning. Listen for unusual sounds from the motor. If you suspect a problem, contact Miele customer service or a technician. Verify the vacuum settings. Incorrect height settings can prevent the brush roll from making contact with the floor, hindering spinning. Ensure the vacuum height is adjusted for the flooring type to allow proper brush roll contact. Consult Miele customer service. Persistent issues may indicate malfunctioning components. If the issue persists, contact Miele customer service for further assistance. So if none of it helps, you have to go ahead and contact support. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.